everyone. Welcome to the ZeusAI Podcast series, your weekly dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Priya Sarai, CIO of Zeus Fire and Security. Today, we're diving into two massive stories making waves in tech circles: the big-budget, star-powered Stargate Project and the scrappy, innovative disruptor, DeepSeek. One's throwing billions at building the future of AI infrastructure in the US, and the other is proving you don't need billions to make a big splash. So are these two sides of the same AI coin? Or are we looking at completely different games? Let's dig in. Let's kick things off with the Stargate Project. Last week, President Trump announced this ambitious initiative in partnership with OpenAI, Oracle, SoftBank, and MGX. It's big, $500 billion big, with the first $100 billion already slated for Texas to build state-of-the-art data centers. These centers are designed to handle massive AI workloads, from training large language models like GPT-4 to supporting healthcare innovations. And let's be real, this isn't just a tech project, it's a political statement. The US is doubling down on AI dominance. First, let's talk about the scale of Stargate. It's expected to create over 100,000 jobs while supercharging the AI ecosystem in industries like security, healthcare, and finance. From where I sit at Zeus, I see the potential. AI is no longer a luxury. It's the backbone of innovation. Whether you're using AI to analyze video feeds for security or prevent theft, we know how transformative it can be. Infrastructure like this could make those solutions faster, cheaper, and accessible to more businesses. But, and here's my take, it's easy to get swept up in the grandeur. Building shiny new data centers is great, but the real magic lies in what we build on top of them. Infrastructure is only as valuable as the systems and solutions it supports. Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, called Stargate the most important project of our era. Bold, right? He painted a picture of AI driving early disease detection and personalized medicine. Imagine AI systems that can flag potential illnesses before symptoms even appear. It's a vision I'd love to see to come to life. But, and it's a big but, this isn't something that happens overnight. Big promises require thoughtful execution. And then there is Larry Ellison of Oracle, who took it a step further, talking about how AI could revolutionize cancer detection and personalized mRNA vaccines. Again, exciting, but let's not forget, big investments only pay off when there is collaboration and follow-through. Now here's where things get spicy. Not everyone's buying the Stargate hype. Elon Musk has openly questioned the funding, claiming SoftBank has less than $10 billion secured. Classic Musk, right? It does raise a point. Are we too focused on chasing future potential while leaving today's gaps unaddressed? At Zeus, we've seen that sometimes. The most impactful innovations come from lean, focused solutions. You don't always need a $500 billion budget to make a difference. Speaking of lean innovation, let's talk about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is the David to Stargate's Goliath, and it's making waves. This Chinese AI startup, founded in Hangzhou in 2023, spun out of a hedge fund called Highflyer. Initially focused on AI-driven trading algorithms, it shifted gears and started building large language models. Their latest release, DeepSeek R1, has everyone talking. Here's the kicker. DeepSeek trained this model for less than $6 million. That's pennies compared to what companies like OpenAI are spending. How? They used NVIDIA H800 chips, designed specifically for export to China under US restrictions. These chips aren't as advanced as the ones available domestically, but DeepSeek made it work, and work well. Let me paint the scene for you. DeepSeek R1 didn't just perform, it dominated. It's been compared to OpenAI's best models in coding, natural language processing, and even complex reasoning tasks. And to top it off, it became the top free app on Apple's App Store in the US, surpassing ChatGPT. But it's not just the cost savings that are impressive. DeepSeek's innovations run deep. They have incorporated reinforcement learning to improve reasoning and align with human preferences. Their architectural breakthroughs include multi-head latent attention, MLA, for compressing memory-intensive key-value caches and mixture of experts, MOE, to activate only the parameters necessary for each task. This means faster processing with fewer resources. Their evolution from DeepSeek version 2 to DeepSeek version 3 added features like multi-token prediction, auxiliary loss-free load balancing, and scalability to 671 billion parameters. All of this while maintaining cost efficiency. Talk about democratizing AI access. DeepSeek R1's success sent shockwaves through the tech world. NVIDIA's shares dropped 17%, wiping out over $600 billion in market value. Alphabet, Microsoft, they all felt the ripple effects of this scrappy disruptor. But every great story has its challenges, right? DeepSeek's reliance on NVIDIA's H800 chips is both a strength and a vulnerability. If US export restrictions tighten further, they could lose access to these essential components. And then there's the question of privacy. With user data stored on servers in China, concerns over censorship and government access loom large. For me, DeepSeek's story is a fascinating lesson in making constraints work for you. They have proven that you don't need endless resources to innovate, but staying lean comes with its own set of risks. If they are going to maintain their momentum, they'll need to address scalability, compliance, and user trust. At Zeus, we know a thing or two about balancing bold ideas with practical execution. The best AI isn't just fast or cheap. It's reliable, ethical, and designed to solve real problems. So where does that leave us? Stargate is a moonshot, a bet on what's possible when you throw resources at a problem. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is a masterclass in doing more with less. Both are compelling, but they also highlight the challenges of navigating the future of AI. Here's my takeaway. AI is about balance between ambition and pragmatism, speed and ethics, vision and execution. At Zeus Fire and Security, we've always believed that innovation is about more than big budgets or flashy headlines. It's about making a difference. That's it for today's episode. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you Team Stargate or Team DeepSeek? Let's keep the conversation going. Reach out to me on LinkedIn or on our website. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and don't forget to dream big.